Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have with us here the DIGITEK tripod DTR45LT. So we are going to review this. As you have already seen the unboxing. So this is a budget tripod, and for the budget it is pretty good. So let me show you some of its features. As you can see, this is the lowest setting that we can put this stand to, and this has 3 levels. I mean, you can extend it to 3 different levels, and here is the holding setup. It has 3 degrees of freedom. Let me show you. So as you can see, now it is ready to be mounted. You can put your camera or your phone here, and you are ready to go. So this is one that tilts the mount like this. To rotate it, you have to spin this one. I mean, loosen this and then you can spin it this way. And to change the angle this way, I mean, you can see there is one knob here. If you loosen this, you can tilt this up or down. So these are the 3 degrees of freedom this mount has. And apart from the 3 levels here, you can extend this one more level using this knob. Once you loosen this will extend another foot or something, more than a little more than a foot. So this way you can extend it in this direction. And to open the legs, you have to flip this. I mean, extend the legs, and once it is extended fully, you can close this. Similarly, you can adjust any height you want and close this. So this is another level. So likewise, you can extend it all the way. So once this is extended, you get quite some height, as you can see here. I have never used it with the full extended height, so but that's an option. And things. So this tripod comes with this phone holder. Uh, the phone holder is okay, kind of. The this spring is very tight. Actually, it is required so that your phone won't fall while you are shooting it. So I don't have that any complaint with this. But the thing is, if you have a little wider phone, it could be a little difficult to extend, because this I have this phone that I have to extend this very to the to the end, and only then I am able to fix this. But for the budget that we get this, it is okay. So to put this phone holder, what we need to do is we need to remove this mount, which can be done using this lever. Once you pull this lever, this comes out. As you can see, this has come out. Now there is a screw here under the holder, so you can spin this. Once you fit this here and screw this tight, and whatever angle you want, you can do this like this, and then you can fit this in the tripod. So flip this in, and now whatever way you want, like this or like this, you can fit it. You just pull this lever and put this in here, the slot, and leave it. Now it has been fixed. So now it is ready. Hold your phone here, and whatever angle you want to set, you can set. Also, this has a horizontal leveler in this one, so you can actually adjust your height, the horizontal level correctly. There is one issue with this one, this level. I'll show you. So you can flip this in this degree of freedom, but the thing is, this doesn't go all the way down. So I think this is a little tilted like this, and it never goes below this. So this is one of the problems which I found with this tripod. Other than that, this has been pretty nice deal, and I have used this for shooting some videos, and those were great. And this comes pretty handy. The tripod is very light, and it came with a cover as well, as you would have seen in the unboxing part of this video. So yeah, I would recommend you to buy this definitely, because it is pretty handy and it has a lot of features, and it comes with a reasonable rate. And I have provided the link in the description below. You can check out. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.